Damn. Okay, so my grass ain't growing. Over here, it won't grow at all. For whatever reason, in these two areas, it will not grow. I bought some premium seeds for this exact reason. Even though the grass does look beautiful in the spots where it's green, where it's not, it's not. Crabgrass and other weeds and dead spots, bruh. It's crazy. Oh my God, didn't even get the roots. So what I do is first I grab my little BBL bags, you know, it's my topsoil, make everything look good. Boom, throw it on the floor, boom. So then right here, we open it up, zip, see how soft it is on the inside. Yeah, I like that. Now I'm gonna throw some topsoil all over real quick, level everything out, both sides, here, there, everywhere, smooth it out. I'm going ahead and use my hand for this one, pat it a little bit, boom, boom, there you go. Let me do this side, make sure it's real thick, scrape it up with the rake. Then I'm gonna stab it up, just in case a couple zombies might be hiding, I'm gonna find out. So I'm gonna double it up. I'm gonna just tap it all out, make sure everything is real leveled, and boom, it's time for the seeds. Okay, open this bag up. This bag is real hard to open. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take it and I'm gonna cover everything. I'm gonna have the whole ground looking like snow before I do another layer of the soil. Every piece of dirt about to have seeds on it. I know that's kind of overseeding, but that's what I want to do. I want to overseed because I really want my yard to be a nice, big, beautiful green. I don't want no patches, nothing, no excuses. So I'm gonna just go through the whole yard right now and just fill in all the spots that I already prepared. And on the side of the house right here, protective custody. I'm putting them in these containers right here to make sure nothing happened. I can control the water, the light, everything. I'm not gonna use irrigation. I'm gonna just hand water it. Yep, I'm gonna just walk around, water it myself, because it's just the safest way to go. And I'm gonna do this over here in the protective custody unit as well. All these patches getting replaced. In the next couple weeks, we'll see how well my overseeding has done. So make sure you subscribe and stay tuned for what's coming next.